So we got frozen rain last night, an ice storm, and I took a look at the stairs, and it's like a thin layer. It's not as bad. I've seen an ice storm in 2005 or something, and it wasn't really like this. It was a whole lot worse, but still, this is what's on the blacktop. That's what it looks like. Then there's a layer of ice in different spots. Oops, sorry. More I get jingle bell. This appears thicker. Very, very slippery. It's all over the blacktop. I'm going to carefully turn around. You can ice skate on here. Get to this one area where it's not icy, but there's more of it right here. That's what it looks like all over Everett, though, I guess, from this ice storm that we had last night. Like I say, I've seen it worse than this, where it's big, crunchy bubbles of ice, and this is just, not as bad as what I've seen it. But this is what it looks like on cars right here. And on the windshields, they were trying to scrape it off. Different people, you know. I don't slip. That's what it looks like. Kind of bubbly stuff. Real thick ice. You can't hardly scrape it off, that's for sure. Some guy was trying this morning, and he'd spent hours on one area on his windshield. It seemed like, of course, you can't tap it off, but here it is all over here. Just icy up and down, all pure ice. And all the way down there, I have no idea what the alley looks like. I'll stay close to this edge because it stayed the driest, I guess. Over here, not. Here, yes. It's undercover. But yeah. And I think it's kind of warming up just a little. So it appears to be kind of melting, I think. But there's a nice big patch of it right there. Yeah, it appears to be kind of melting because I see a puddle right there. So, that's good news in some way. But as for the roads and sidewalks, they're still as icy as could be. So, anyway, yeah. That is the result